Hi guys, in this video we talk about Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate versus OnePlus 12. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate launched on September 2023 with a price tag of $1,499. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $700. The body dimensions: the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate, height 6.44 inches, width 3.11 inches, thickness 8.1 mm. OnePlus 12, height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of the device is Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate 242 grams and the OnePlus 12 220 grams. The both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM cards coated. The screen type: Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type, and the OnePlus 12 comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The display size: the both devices come with 6.82 inches screen size, and the OnePlus 12 comes with 2K screen resolution. The Huawei Mate RS 60 Ultimate comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The OnePlus 12 comes with 510 ppi density. The Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with 440 ppi density. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio of Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with 88.5% screen to body ratio, and the OnePlus 12 comes with 91.3% screen to body ratio. And the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with Huawei Cooling Glass 2 protection. The OnePlus 12 comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and the OnePlus 12 comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Go to the camera setup. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide, 40 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The OnePlus 12 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 48 megapixel ultra wide, and with Hasselblad color calibration, and it records 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices: the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with dual selfie camera, 13 megapixel and 80 of 3D biometric sensor, and it records 4K 60 fps video with front camera. And the OnePlus 12 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera, and it records 4K 30 fps video. The platform of these devices: the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with octa-core CPU with Titan big CPU, and the OnePlus 12 comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 the chipset. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with Kirin 9000 S7nm chipset. The OnePlus 12 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with Melon 910 GPU. The OnePlus 12 comes with Adreno 750 GPU. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with Harmony OS 4.0. The OnePlus 12 comes with Android 14 Oxygen OS 14. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with 16 GB of RAM. The OnePlus 12 comes with 12 GB and 16 GB and 24 GB of RAM. The internal storage: Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with 512 GB, 1 TB internal storage. The OnePlus 12 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal storage. Mate 60 RS Ultimate supported nano memory card, and the OnePlus 12 no SD card support. Let's go to the battery setup. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate comes with 5000 mAh battery. The OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery, and the OnePlus 12 supported 100 watt fast charging. The Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate supported 88 watt fast charging, and it's come with 50 watt wireless charging. The both devices come with 5G network support. Common LAN feature is the same, but the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate support IP68 rating and Face ID security system. The OnePlus 12 supported come with IP64 rating and fingerprint under display. And the result of these devices: OnePlus 12 got 22 points, and the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate got 18 points.